What up, y'all? I'm out here in front of Maryhill Preschool, Summerlin, doing some car seat cleaning for the most part. No strollers today, but car seats, we're getting it in. You know, we got some things that really look bad, some really good before and afters to show you today. I'm really excited for this. Let me show you one of these. Like, I don't know what that is. You know, what is it? Wow. You feel me? Oh, look at this front off too. They got all the way down off in there. So look like dry urine, soup spillage. But check this one out too. This gonna be the one.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is the one I can't wait to show y'all the before and after. So now it's time for one of the worst car seats I've ever done. And really it's just on the surface right now. I don't know what the inside is gonna look like, or the crumbs or spillage. I have no clue, but let's take a look. Yowza! Yes, sir. We're gonna get this popping here. Big reveal. You can see this one's gonna take us some work, and it's gonna be a fun one. Stay tuned for the after.
A few moments later.
Finished product. Not all stains come out, as you can see, but it is way better than what it was. It's dry a little bit. And put some plastic on it and be done.